friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Barbara Yvonne, but you can call me either Barbara or Yvonne. Either one is fine with me. If you're not new, hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel, and thank you for supporting all of my videos and just coming back for another one. Today is what? I don't know, it's another Vlogmas video. I just want to take you guys along with me as I do like a Sunday reset, because today is Sunday, and typically on Sunday, just cleaning up and doing like a weekly maintenance of my home. So today, we did a little bit yesterday, but today we pretty much are doing the most of it. So what we're doing is tackling CJ's room. He had been needing to, he tries to do it like every day, but you know, we do have a lot that goes on during the week, which is why I try to do things on the weekend mostly or mainly. But so yeah, the things that have not been done throughout the week we're tackling today. And so today we're pretty much doing all of that. He had a lot of just clothes and just cups and just a bunch of random stuff that has been toys, just been put misplaced everywhere. So we're putting the back and hanging up the clothes from laundry and all of those things that we just did not do last week or throughout the week. So we're starting the week off fresh. But the main thing that we're doing, we also ended up turning his room completely like upside down in a sense, just to kind of switch it around, because it's just time to do a like little reset on his room, just to give it a new fresh feel. So it's definitely giving that, and we're loving that. So we're like almost done, and I thought I'd just pull you guys up and take you guys with us, just so that you can see what I typically do on the weekends. And so I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys upstairs with me. We're downstairs in the office, so we're gonna go upstairs now. It's about the midday, about 12ish. I went for my walk already. Met with my neighbor today, and it was a great walk. So I didn't take my watch with me today because I must have misplaced it somewhere. But yeah, I don't know the steps that I have already had. I guess I could check my phone. My phone doesn't really have like live updates like my watch do, but we're gonna check and see what we did do, what it did pick up so far. Let's see where we at. It was a pretty good walk. It wasn't like the longest walk or anything, but it definitely was enough, and it was really good. It was a good walk. So it doesn't really matter the steps, to be honest. I feel like as long as I get up and get out, that is the main goal. So it's not really showing me. So yeah, it's not updated yet, which is weird. I hate tracking on my phone. So it's fine regardless. Like I said, as long as I got out, and I also met with my neighbor, so it just was overall good movement for my body and just my mind, just be able to like chit chat and get some fresh air, and all those things were kind of more important anyway. So but yeah, so I already did that, got that walk in and came in, and then we just kind of tackled the room. We just started tackling the room. So come on with me. We're going upstairs. We're going to check and see what has been done so far. I added some like decals. I put up some pictures that he has painted in the past, and also the one that you guys saw he painted from Sleepy Hollow Farm that we went to. Put that up on the wall. So I think that was super cute to give him like a little, you know, a little gallery on his wall. So I'm like, why haven't I done this before? But anyways, so yeah, we're dusting and all those things. So come on up and let's see what's going on. He was supposed to get this duster. Whew. But I got it for him, so it's okay. This boy in here eating chips. And you know you're not supposed to be eating stuff in here. So yeah, this is the little, he did this at the Sleepy Hollow Farm, the little chicken. Super cute. And then this one, I forgot when you did this one.
What was that? That one about daycare.
Oh, at camp care. At your summer camp. So yeah, he did these, and I just put them up on the wall and make the room feel a little bit more, I don't know, just nicer. So definitely put that up there. Super easy to do. I had these things for the longest, and I've just not utilized them. So it has a bunch of different things like nails and screws and the little anchors that you might need as well, and then like thumbtacks.
I must be a hobbit or something because that second half was good.
So yeah, it says that in there. Oh, that's cute.
And there's another book that she gave me.
Yeah. Marley, what are you doing? Just going through his books. The ones you're gonna keep, right? There's a lot of good ones in here. Like this one, I didn't know he had. He loves those. He needs to be reading them more often, pulling them out, spending time with these books.
Oh, this is the book that I was talking about.
And this was his favorite book growing up. Like when he was a kid, like he still is a kid. But when he was like younger, like much younger, this was barely talking younger. This was the book that we loved. And we still have them.
Oh my gosh, I remember this. Oh my gosh, yes, sir.
Which one? Wing of Fire?
Like, look at the bag. Tell me that just like, look, it's built different too.
The graphic
Like,
that's on
everything
there.
is built different these days.
Okay. Yeah, right now I'm going to get this fan together. A little while to go, but it's okay. We're gonna get it done today. Anyways, so I'm gonna check back with y'all when we're done, or I'm just gonna montage this out and then I'll see y'all when we're done.
No.
Y'all, so the room is already done and he's happy. It's clean, it looks good, but besides that, this little red Lobster Cheddar biscuits right at home. Tell me why the oven caught on fire. Preheat 425. Inside the oven caught on fire. Randy had to hurry up and get the it just happened like two minutes ago, and it's still very much so stinking in the house, because for one, the fire, and two, the fire extinguisher. So yeah, Randy had to get the fire extinguisher. Luckily it was a small little fire, like maybe like this big. So he had to just like, you know, hit it real quick to put it out. It's a lot going on. So these are not going to be made right now. The reason why the fire started on the oven is because Randy made some pizza the other day. He didn't use the pan. So so the pizza fell through the oven racks and it hit the bottom, and it just, I forgot that he hadn't cleaned that out yet. So I started the oven to make the biscuits, and the fire came because the food down there, I guess we just forgot. But yeah. But all the windows are open, the fans are on, so it's not as smoky. It's not that bad at all. Yeah. Y'all pray for me. Pray for me, please. But in other news, while I was cleaning CJ's room, I found my battery. I wasn't able to vlog for the longest, probably like a whole week, because I didn't have my battery. But I found it. So now I have 3 batteries, which is good because I can consistently keep them in rotation. So it was a blessing in disguise to lose this for a little while, even though I couldn't vlog and post. I could pick that back up and keep consistent with that. But now I have 3 batteries. It just kind of pushed me to do that. So It's okay. I honestly need another charger because I still only have one. I thought the thing came with, I thought the new battery came with a charger, but I guess not. I think it would be good to also get like a second charger, like in case anything happens with that one, like I don't have to be as down. So basically, yeah, just kind of think ahead about that and prevent me having to stop vlogging out of being able to use my camera. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and just get another charger for the batteries. But now I have 3 batteries, and see, yeah, if they die, just pick up the next one. But anyways, I hope y'all have a wonderful week. I hope everything is peaceful, you're able to chill and relax and not let nothing stress you, not let anything stress you out. Just kind of, you know, maintain positive, good energy and continue to stay around those who also have good, positive, good energy. So, all right, y'all, I'm gonna be back. I'm about to see if Randy needs any help and continue cleaning up the house, because I also gotta clean up this living room and the kitchen as well. So let me go check on Randy though. So we're back. I just wanted to close out the vlog. Marley and I wanted to say goodnight. Don't we look alike? This is my twin. But yes, we just wanted to say goodnight and close out the vlog here. Tomorrow is another day. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to hit the like button, because YouTube takes that as engagement. And the more engagement, the more friends that we can join to our friendship. So I love you guys so, so much. And we will talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye. Bye-bye.